The OnexPlayer X1 Ryzen Edition is an impressive gaming tablet and PC hybrid, featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor. Here is an overview of its specifications and features. Display: the X1 Ryzen Edition has a 10.95-inch 2.5K display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 540 nits peak brightness. It has a 16:10 aspect ratio and DC dimming technology for flicker-free visuals. Processor: this device is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor. Memory: it comes with LPDDR5 X750 memory in 32GB or 64GB configurations. Storage options include PCIe 4.0 by 4 meters to 2280 SSDs with capacities ranging from 1 TB to 4 TB. Audio: the X1 features Harman-certified dual speakers with a high-performance full-range speaker unit. Connectivity: the device includes dual USB 4.0 ports, a TX card slot, a USB 3.2 port, two USB-C 4.0 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an Oculink interface for connecting to external graphics docks. Battery: it has a 16,890 mAh battery, providing up to 169 minutes of gameplay in Genshin Impact, 8 hours of office work, or 11 hours of video playback. The 100 gallium nitride charger ensures quick charging. Additional features: the OnexPlayer X1 Ryzen Edition comes with a detachable controller with ergonomic grips and customizable buttons, and a magnetic detachable backlit keyboard. Pricing: the base model with 32GB of memory and 1TB of storage starts at 6,899 yuan, around $950. The 2TB model is priced at 7,399 yuan, around $1,022. The top model with 64GB of memory and 4TB of storage costs 9,599 yuan, around $1,325.